trying to buy a hammock. So I went up to this guy and I was like, hey man, do you guys sell hammocks? And he was like, what's a hammock? And it threw me off enough that I was like, am I saying it wrong? I was like, I think I'm saying it wrong, because you know what it is. And I was like, is it Hammett with a T? Does that sound right? And he was like, we're out of hammocks. We're out of them. It's hammock season. And I left, Googled where to buy a hammock, and Google was like, do you mean hammock? I was like, I sure do, Google. Where were you at during all of this?